and just quickly go there.
Let's go, mommy. Mommy.
I'll be 30 seconds.
Okay, I'll go there, Josh.
Okay. Oh yeah, the
Tanong kili ka sila. Gusto yun yung ice cream yan. Sobra pa. Nagsalasal.
wow. Yes. So the Tonburi.
Wala ka na asal.
Uh,
This is another Don Quixote.
pero it's not crowded siguro mo na kami. Sa Quixote. Oh, hindi. This is one go. Remember last time we walked over here? Is it
Let's
busy?
go. Wala na.
Oh, maybe from that area. Is it busy? From that area.
Yeah, that area.
So if we're going home in that area then. Because I know
Yeah,
the,
going to the area to go home.
but on this side.
Or can I also go to the Don Donkey?
Then
That side.
we're going. We're going there.
Akala ko talaga sa Don Buri.
Tingnan mo.
Manigili ko.
No.
Di man ang ilaw ng taxi din, maski di lang pwede mag-park. So,
Gani, diriya wala. Ano yung sige lang. Ay, bala sila gawin sa pasero ka mo go, go, go. Hindi lang kung tayo sa iyo.
ihon ko
Kasi hindi lang guro dito sa pedestrian.
Ga.
Yeah, these are.
Walk to, ano? To pursue. Okay, we'll take a picture rin eh. Go. To say. Dum, dum, dum. Nakagapon, dumudamo sila kagabi. Kagabi dumudamo sila kagamotor. Oh, all you can eat man gali diyo. But this one is like we got seafood as well. Pero why presyo? Likado niya. Why presyo? Kibuton ka lang malaw. Amusement. Karaoke, 3 so far. Ha?
Capsule hotel, no?
Makadtulan ko na.
Ha?
Makadtulan di siya kung after.
Hindi, ako dito sa pakato.
Sabi ko ni makadto ka to. Ah, one. One hour.
May gamit na nagkaroon.
Ramen to to. Hindi ka makadto.
May baka makabalik.
Okay.
Tapos pag kusiwa ko kung buri. Ano, galingan na lang kanto dito. Yun lang. Have no plan of anything. Kita ko nito.
So this is the Tonburi Hotel Gloria. Alright. Hotel Zen. Dress. Diri. Lapit pag siya. Tonburi Street gud saya.
Yan eh. Kita ko ni chef ko mahal daw. Hindi ko lang nakita. Mahal ni pero wala akong nag-update. Mahal no? 7,900.
That's good.
You know, walk around. I'm looking at the other places to stay next time I come back. So that's the hotel stand. I saw that in the booking of the... How much is the 7,900?
35. 7,000? Yeah, 350. Ano? Ah, yeah. Okay, that's the other side of Dotonbury. So, oh, there na gainom niya. That's a view of this ube. Karaoke. Where? Upstairs? Snow crab
How can you
pools.
hold this?
View. Okay, Sala del Rey. Alright, so this is the last night in the Tunbury. So another bar. So I think on the Tunbury there's another maybe karaoke. Yeah, this is what mommy just what tastes like. But that's it. Maybe in Tokyo, baby. We can do it in Tokyo. Alright. 7 tots. Okay. So this is all welcome to amusement. This is amusement junction. Just checking. Guys, this city.
Dyson, Darson ba?
Alright. So you need to have some drinks. That is the city bar. Alright.
Yes, and then we can...
Yep. So that's it, mga kabayos. So that's the quick tour or the second night in Dotonbury. This is on the other side, the lesser busy one. Yeah. Okay, so that's it. So once again, don't forget, yeah, to like, share, and subscribe. Okay, bye-bye, 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 Dotonbury. Bye, Dotonbury. Bye. See you next time. See you next time.